On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Crepes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What's going on? Gang, 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 gang. Good morning. Happy Monday. How we all doing? Well, it's been an interesting weekend, I must say. We have rolled over, rolling on a river, and we've already got copyright infringed. Oh, well, who cares? It's Monday. It's fun day. Hope you're all doing well. Say hello in the chat. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here. I mean, it's a doozy. We have upgraded our computer to 64 megabytes of pure power. Let's go. So we'll see if we can find some trades this morning, hopefully with a much smoother experience for all the viewers in the audience. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful morning and hope you had a great weekend. I had a great weekend. I played golf yesterday. Now, there's a difference between playing golf with a newborn and playing golf, okay? I played the worst round of my life yesterday. I shot a 90. If you're into golf, I shot like a 97 or something. Atrocious. What a word. Like that. And what happened was, I'm halfway through the round, and I'm ready to break my clubs. I'm playing so bad, right? And, going to have a Happy Gilmore moment. And if you didn't see, there's a new Happy Gilmore coming out, and I think it's against all that woke ideology, which would be kind of cool. I'm not going to lie. The price is wrong, Bob, kind of deal. However, I'm halfway through the round. I'm sitting there, and I'm like, you know what? I have a son. I have a good family. And I'm out enjoying nature right now in the sunshine. So who cares about some numbers? Let's just go hit some balls. And you know what? My attitude changed because I wasn't pleasant to be around for my friends. And I played a lot better golf. And that's my weekend story. That's how exciting it got. But nonetheless, Bitcoin is rolling over. We'll see if we can take advantage of some price action this morning. Hope you're all having a good time. Let me know. Have you ever noticed you just change your attitude a little bit on the fly? You got to catch it. If you can catch it, you can have a better time. My experience. Oh, man. So we're pushing up here into VWAP. We'll see how that continues. I'm possibly looking for a breakout retest continuation up and a breakdown from VWAP and continuation down into the 62.8 level, down into here, down under. Okay, so currently breaking down. We'll see how it reacts right here. We could have a potential trade setup. However, we do have Jerome Powell speaking. This surprise meeting? Jerome Powell? Jerome wants to drop some bombs. 97, that's a decent worst round of golf ever. I shoot very low 80s most of the time. So very not, I guess it's all relevant, isn't it? That's another way of looking at it. Let's say good morning. What's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful morning. Had a wonderful weekend. We'll see how this goes on throughout here. I'm just getting a little bit organized. I moved my desk. I upgraded my computer. It's all happening. So good morning to you guys. Seymour Liddy, Chad Wicks Racing. What's going on, Michael Quazim? Good morning to you guys. You protected your capital for the next trades. That's the one, right? Looks like we're getting a little pushback here. Bullish divergence here with the lower low, higher high. Okay, we'll see how this works out for us this morning. Let's get back over to the chat. What am I doing? I'm getting distracted already. G Corp, good morning. Easy C, what's going on? It's like Easy E, but it's Easy C. Watch out. Darren does things. What's going on? And yes, I traded this weekend. Don't usually. Darren's probably in a nice short coming into resistance. We don't long resistance here, right? Right. Okay. John Foster, crypto, what's going on, man? Ron Johns Jr., Ron Johns, like Long Johns in Canada, but Ron Johns. Okay, what's going on, man? Luke Zaldana, good morning, gang. Smash those likes. Much love, everyone. Father Time says, what's up, crew? Good to see you, man. What time is it where Father Time is? That is the question. Buck, what's going on? Max, good morning to you. Good morning, Army Piper in the chat. What's going on? If you guys aren't following the Piper Academy, go over and check out their channel. Mad love to you, family. What's going on, bro? Hope you're having a great day. Buck, Crypto Mike. It's too early for you, Piper. You should be sleeping right now. You're getting up at 0800. I don't know how to say the Army times. That's how you know I'm not in the Army. I can tell you measurements, so I can call out measurements. 5/16. I can read it on a tape measure. Tell me where 5/16 is on a tape measure, okay? And then we're going to go to 3/8 and then 5/8 and then 15/16, and then we'll start doing some roof calculations. We can do that as well. Irrelevant information now that I'm a day trader, but I can still build a house, so that's all right. 0623 here. Oh, man, it's early. Oh, you skipped your boy, says Al Jr. Yo, good morning, peeps. What's going on, man? I guess I did. And Little Fish, man. I'm sorry, man. You know, like when you get to work and there's that one guy that you love, but you can't find him on the job site. That's kind of what just happened there, right? You just want to say good morning to your one friend, you know, and you got like these plebs bugging you. Hey, Alex, are you ready for work today? No. Oh, the weather was good you know they're not your friend when they instantly go to talking about the weather. I think that's the first indication. It's like, man, how's the weather up there in Canada? Cold? It's like, come on, bro. Ain't you got anything better than that? You know those people who talk about the weather. I know you know those people who are, it's just like default setting. It's like, how's the weather? Oh, it was sunny yesterday. The fucking sun's out, bro. No shit. I mean, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I try not to like hang on that because you realize that a lot of people's default talking point is the weather. And it's like, man, you're not interesting. I mean, or they're just, or The old lady kept me busy this weekend. Yeah. Yeah. The old lady. Yeah. The old lady kept you busy this weekend. What were you doing? What were you doing? Mowing the lawn. Right? Oh man. Down in Texas, the weather's just hot and hotter and hottest, isn't it? Isn't it just like it's Texas, baby? In Canada, we have seasons, you know? I mean, we're going into fall, the leaves are changing. It's getting brisk in the morning with a little bit of dew. Let's go. Let's go, man. This is fun. Oh, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 65 people in here, 15 likes. We're going to go top down on Bitcoin. Taking the top off, baby, because it's hot out, okay? Oh, man. Give me some order blocks here, baby. So with Bitcoin right now, doesn't want to load, but that's okay. Come on, object tree. Have you guys noticed your trading views a little bit wacky lately? Trading view not showing object trees. Showing it over here. Not showing it over here. Hello, object tree. Same chart, different object tree. So we'll do top down over here then. Fine. Okay, do it. Do that to me later, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're moving up here. No trade as of yet. It's Monday morning. We got the false move. Could this be the false move down, tricking us all to believe that we are going to plummet to Middle Earth? Okay. However, we need to first and foremost understand that we have now crossed the zero line on Market Cipher on the weekly after a beautiful weekly candle close. Okay. This is three white soldiers, bing, 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 to the upside. Can this continue? We'll have to wait and find out. Obviously, we've closed and now we have rolled over. A retrace right now would be ideal for a continuation. Will we get that continuation? We'll have to wait and find out. We have a lot of things going on this week and a surprise meeting from Jerome Powell. We'll see if we get through that today unscathed. But is he hawkish? Is he bullish? Did he get too hawkish or too bullish? We don't know, but we'll pay attention and listen to find out. I believe that is, if we check here, I announced it on our Discord. So if you're not in our Discord, then what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Jerome Powell is set to give an economic outlook at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay, on Monday. Jay Powell is one of the most influential people in the world in the stock market. So what he says can affect the markets, okay? So be very aware of this. We've also upgraded the Discord so you can upload cool shit, and I pay for that yearly. So hopefully that helps. And we're going to have a Halo 2 tournament this weekend coming up where we're giving 3 months free membership to our Discord. And we're giving a year or a lifetime, one lifetime Chart Prime indicator suite. Okay. So if you do like Halo, which I used to play Halo competitively, me and Master Queef here, we're going to do a Halo 2 tournament. So if you want to play, come and play. That would be fun. I mean, why wouldn't it be fun? It's fun. And if you do want to join our free Discord, join down below. There is a link. And then for the premium good stuff, for all the goodies, like Brewberry's TA and Kyle's TA and my TA and all that good stuff, closing trades, winning trades, yada, yada, yada. There's $1 a day membership for you as well. Okay. That's it. That wasn't really a show. It was like, hey, man, if you want free stuff, come over and hang out with us. We are doing a $175 giveaway on Friday for our members. So that would be the o-meter, just so you're aware. So weekly, looking strong. However, posturing is to the downside on our VWAP, something to be aware of. And we seem to have reclaimed and continue to push up on our stochastics. Okay, let me see where chat is here. Look at all these beautiful people. Got a dad joke for you. What's red and not healthy for your teeth? Brick. Oh, man. We got everybody talking about the beautiful, beautiful weather. I love you guys, but come on. We're better than that. We're all talking about the weather now. As we flip through our catalog of Market Cipher and understand where price action is right now, what we realize is we're a little bit overextended. VWAP's cooling off, okay? So we look here, VWAP's cooling off, crossing the zero line. Money is slowly creeping up, which is a good sign overall, and we are reclaiming the stochastics 50% line. Okay, these are all good signs on our higher term time frames. We just want to see the VWAP bounce from the zero line, okay? It looks like we might be getting a bounce right now. Hold up. Keeping this on our radar, okay? Going over to our daily time frame. Now we do have a double red dot. Okay, now we don't just trade off red dots, red dot, green dot. Okay, but we have a double dot, and a red dot confirmation with money coming up, with VWAP actually cooling down, which is a good sign. We want to see this get to like that oversold area, so we got probably a couple more days till we can look for this to cross over the zero line, which is going to be bullish. This crossover, I am afraid, my friends, is going to be bullish in my opinion. So we got money coming in. We got maybe a couple days to wait for this VWAP crossover, something to be aware of coming in our near future. However, we do see a little bit of cooling off, which is okay. When we see flattening like this up at the overbought level, this can typically stay irrelevant for quite a long time, where it's just like, hey, man, we're just going to keep going up kind of deal, right? So you can see it here. You get topping. It's very... this is a suggestion of strength, in my opinion, right? So all we want to really see is very simply the VWAP reset, push back up, the momentum wave cool off a little bit, come down, and reset. Okay, it's just a matter of time. So a little bit of patience will prevail if we want our uptrend to continue. However, we have rolled over. This was not an area to where you're looking to long up top here over the weekend. Okay, we pushed up. We reclaimed this high, which is so good, right? We've reclaimed this high, mitigated. Now we're looking to come down and then bounce, right? So now that we have changed structure, making a higher high, really, essentially, right? We are looking for this low. This low can come in at a plethora of places, right? And if you are with us in our premium service, you can have all these levels, or you can just screenshot that really quickly because you're sneaky snake like that. That's okay too. But we're definitely looking to see this thing retrace in order to get long, okay? To get long. Trend is your friend, right? We're in the simple uptrend looking for this to continue. 12-hour here. This thing is looking as if it is pretty cooked. Now, what do I mean by cooked? I mean, look at when you get VWAP oversold here and it starts to flatten, okay? This, to me, suggests VWAP wants to roll back up, okay? So we look for a number of things. We look for curvature here on our beautiful momentum waves. We look for flattening on our money flow, and we look for this thing to come up and cross over, okay? X marks the spot, up, and away we go. We'll have to wait and see. But the 12-hour has, been bear divving and then rolling over now. So now it's an opportunity to possibly get long on this mega uptrend. But we'll see. We'll see. We don't want to get overly bullish. We are prepared for some sort of correction here. This could wreck people too. So let's not just assume that we're up only mode right now, right? We can see a lot of the altcoins, if we go over to Total 3 and stuff like that, have had some nice moves. Right now, I would say this is maybe a wave 2. I'm not a wave expert. We have other channels like Cohen, that is a friend of the channel who's very good at Elliott wave theory. I'm not an Elliott wave theory or an astronaut theorist, okay? I'm just here to tell you guys how I do it. So bear divin up here, right? Looking for this to roll over into here. We'll see if we get there, okay? We'll see if we get there. My ideal area is right in here, okay? So if we're pulling volume, we're looking at this area. We have a range in here, okay? A range in here where we're looking for this to bounce, okay? Which matches up with a whole bunch of other stuff that we don't need to get into. So if we do continue to roll over, that's where I'd be looking for. Right around that $61,000 to $60,000 area, okay? Going into our 4, 3, 2, 1. Our narrative for the day is that we are a little bit overextended to the downside, okay? The 4 is suggesting we're going to come up. Money is looking to roll back in, okay? a big gap within our stochastics, suggesting that we can snap back if need be, and we are starting to see this and this. Okay, so 4 hour, we're gonna expect 3 candles. So can we expect like a little bit of a pushback before continuing down? Yeah, absolutely. The 3 hour VWAP's getting pretty close here. A nice tail here on our 3 hour, but aggressive sell off last night. So let's not get overly bullish. Let's just be aware that, hey, we're starting to round up. This can push back. Okay, there's an opportunity to push back. And that's very simply right there. 2 hour VWAP crossover. Looking for that green dot. Let's see if we got it on the 1 hour. 1 hour green dot printing. Not confirmed yet, so we have to wait. Okay, so a little bit of a pushback, but remember, you can get these green dots and all you do is this, and then you drop again. This, and then drop again. So we don't want to get overly bullish. We just want to be level-headed when it comes to the markets this morning and try to make our best decisions possible. Okay? That's what we kind of do anyway. So we'll be doing that. We'll be hopefully taking advantage of this price action. Looking for a couple of options here. So we have VWAP coming down in here. So we could push out. Okay? We could push out, get rejected at VWAP, and continue downwards. We could push out, bounce off this little trend momentum line here, and look for continuation outwards. Okay? There's some options here. We could look for a swing failure pattern down below here for a bullish divergence. Let's see, we get something like that. That's very much an option here. However, we're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. Okay? And that's going to be kind of the plan today, and hopefully we can take advantage of some price action. Now looking at the S&P. S&P, a little bit overextended, rising channel here. Typically looking for continuation up into this area here. NASDAQ, descending channel here, looking for a bounce. We'll see if that continues to push. Looking for expansion on the Russell. Okay, the Russell 2000, looking for this thing to get above that $2,400 area. We'll see if it happens. The Dixie, absolutely obliterated to the downside. Can it lose this 100 level? Okay, we would love to see the Dixie die. Is it going to happen yet? I'm not convinced. Okay, I would like to see a pushback and then a drop, and that would be more ideal in my opinion. We'll wait and find out. We'll watch these very, very closely, and hopefully we are prepared the best we can be. We need to prepare, right? A prepared trader is a profitable trader. Let's not get it twisted. So we prepare. Right, we try to outline what's possible. Why is my object tree not working on this one? I'm going to close this damn tab. I'm going to go over to Super, which was a beautiful trade on the weekend that we gave in advance, guys. Look at this beautiful Super trade, man. Banging. Absolute banging Super trade. If you want trades like this, join our Discord. Join the Discord. 10% trade. My golly gee. Oh man. Pretty awesome. We can get rid of that now because winning, hashtag winning, whatever they do. What does the new generation say? Hashtag winning. Okay, so object tree is now working in this one. Okay, so we go over here. We put this here. This will be our 24-minute more grander scheme of today, and then we'll have our short-term time frame as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, supporting me, helping me support you. Much love to every single one of you guys. Let's say hello to you guys. And if you are new here, join us, subscribe, hang out with us. Join us in the free Discord or in the paid version. It doesn't really matter. We would just love to have you, okay? We get snow sometimes, says Army Piper. Say good morning in here, my friends. Don't be a stranger. Maybe ask how the weather is in Canada. It's not always igloos and snowmen, okay? Okay, fast cars sexy. Yes, fast cars are sexy. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. I am looking for 63,240 for a bounce. Oh, that's awesome. Why was the coffee sad? He was a depresso. Oh, can you pull a Fibbo and Angelo for that possible higher low, please? Yeah, we can. We can pull in the Fibbo Angelico, okay? What's going on? Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Lunar Beaches. Crypto in the chat. Michael, I'm the most patient. Patient is patient in this hospital. Let's go. Dad jokes without even trying. DJ Ani. What's going on, DJ Ani? Mad love to DJ Ani. Smack those like buttons. Subscribe if you are new. Hi there. How often are you streaming? Every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Live streaming, making money. I mean, I went back. The last 3 weeks we've had every single day except for one day we had a profitable, beautiful trade. Some absolute bangers, but I mean the kill rate this month is like we have one loss in all of September on the live stream, which is absolutely incredible. Okay. I mean, you guys have been absolutely spoiled here, man. I don't know what you're thinking, but oh man, we've been crushing it. We've been crushing it, and you know it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing. I love this community, and I love all you guys for your support. It means the world to me. But the proof's in the pudding, right? The proof's in the pudding. Oh man, my P&L for the month is looking sexy. That's all I got to say. It was at I think it's 91% P&L for the month. Let me see if I can pull that up here. They don't make it easy to find your P&L. They don't want you to know how much money you're taking from them. Let me see if I can find it. Futures account, yes. Yes. Total P&L. Today's P&L, 0. Yes. Okay. 30-day cumulative P&L, 102%. We've doubled our account. 30-day. We've doubled our account. That's the one. Doubled the account. That is pretty cool, man. That is pretty cool. Man, this thing don't want to push, eh? Okay, so oh, I switched screens. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I was doing sensitive things. I just wanted to make sure that you guys could see the 30-day cumulative P&L. Oh, flexing on that. All right, what are you guys saying over here? I feel like a little princess, says Michael. What's going on? Are we gonna pull some beautiful things? Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Oh man. Mrs. Otter. 1 second, guys. Uno momento, por favore. Yeah. Okay, we're back. So just looking for this right now. We'll see if we do push up. Breakout retest. I mean, very, very interesting. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Push, baby. What are you doing, bro? I have a newborn son. I just needed to check if he was okay. My wife is working hard, you know. I think she's working harder than any of us right now. We're just over here. We're just over here chilling. She's doing the real work. She's doing the real work. It's warm today. I feel warm. Dave Digital in the chat. What's going on? I've been short from 65,500, but then I saw CryptoFace quit his stream 30 minutes ago because the short was going away from him. So I closed my short too. Well, Face takes profits. He pays himself. He knows the environment. He's been trading years and years and years. You can't mess with his thinking. So, I mean, those who have counter traded Face is very they got to be brave. I mean, respect the man's craft. I mean, he's been killing it, right? And at the end of the day, one thing he always says is small losses, small wins, big wins, right? There's no room for big losses. Here we're getting the push up. Okay, this is a good little push. We'll see if we get into a VWAP rejection right now. My wife is the IT support staff. I mean, the Discord. I mean, the amount of knowledge in the Discord with all the traders, it's pretty incredible. It's pretty incredible. So you guys all help me fix my computer. It feels like it's running smoother. Coming into VWAP right now. We'll see if we get up and out of this area right now. Yeah, not ready to trade this. Okay, this could be a potential short, just not ideal in my opinion right now. We got market open in 40 minutes. Okay, so for today, what I'm looking for is to see how like this bull div plays out to the upside. Okay, to see how this 1 hour VWAP crossover goes, right? Looking a little bit bullish here on the hourly, trying to push back up. Okay, so there's some signs here that I'm aware of that, you know, we could push back in order to continue down. You know, this is like a 786 retracement. If we're looking at retracement levels, this would be a 786 area that we're looking at. Now, if we're looking at where we could possibly reject from, if we do push back up into this area, right? So we'll go from high to low. So high to low, right? And we'd be looking somewhere within here, right? So our 786 golden pocket area. Okay, so this will be the ideal area that I'd be looking for. We'll see. Let's see volume as well. Let's pull some volume across here. Volume really picks up. Yeah, 65.1. 65.1. So that looks at, you know. Okay, we do have a key level of resistance. I'm going to lower this just a little bit more. Just as a general area. Now I'm going to make it red because it's not just the golden pocket. It's a red area. Okay, so possible sell wall in there. We'll see if price gets there. But I always like to consider where our key levels of support and resistance are. Looks like we're getting a push right now. Let's go over. It's a little bit of a breakout happening as we speak. We'll see how it reacts here in the short term. a push up right now is probably getting late longs. Okay, if we're thinking like retail, how's retail trading this or shorting this, right? Retail is like, yay, we're going to zero. Woo, right? So it's coming back into these key areas where price will look to roll over. However, we do have quite a bit of bullish signals at the bottom here, so we see if we can take advantage of this price action today. Okay, so a nice breakout. We can look for a potential retest right now. Coming into VWAP, we'll see how it reacts, and then we can look for something along these lines over here for a potential long, okay? Nice push up here, though. Nice push up. We'll see if it can continue. Good morning, OT. Short out, baby. Good morning, OT. Good morning, Grim Reaper. Arpad, good morning. We'll take trades. So with market open, right? It's just the volatility that we want. Anywhere between 8:30 and 10 o'clock is when I'm trading. So on the live anyways. So I'll trade after the live too if it's available, but just looking for volume, right? Looking for price action to give me kind of a sign everywhere there's a sign. And then I'll look to take advantage of price action as it starts to print more candles, right? We get a better story of the morning. We can see that we've definitely dumped on people's head. A little Bart Simpson coming in here over the weekend, which is fine. We're still in a higher low. So the big trend is still up. We acknowledge that. However, we can look for a reversal down at the key levels. I would prefer if we got down to 62.8, to be honest, and look for that triple bottom. We'll see if we get it, though. Okay, looks like we're getting a little bit of resistance coming in here. VWAP. So a little bit of patience is going to prevail. We'll see how price reacts up here. Right now, no trade. We got a little bit of a bull div down in here. And then that more major bull div in here on our higher term time frame. So this could play out and up into our sell wall that we have up in here. Okay. And then understanding that below us here, we do have a big old beautiful buy area, right? That I'll be considering. Just zooming out a little bit, looking at this. So we have this big, huge volume area within here. Okay. If we pull volume across here, we can see, we just came down perfectly, touched our point of control, right? If we are going to hold this range, which is right here, this is a range, right? If we're going to hold this range, this is going to be our key area to hold if we do come down, okay? Want to maybe do something like that we're looking for price to come into. If not, we could hold this support area in here, which is pretty much the highs of this range, and look for this to bounce and continue outwards. But right now, we'll see what's happened. So far, we've had a push up, which is good. It's still a lower high. So we'll see if we do get rejected back down here. Can look to take advantage of something like this. Or if we're going to get rejected and come back down. But right now, price is kind of stalling out. Volume has decreased. Okay, let's look at volume. Do we have vector candles up here? Yeah. Yeah, vector candles up at the top here. So, lots of opportunity. Crypto Josh, what's going on? Wix Wi-Fi 89. What's going on? Why do all my carpenter friends like Tool? Because it's amazing. If you know, you know. What's going on? Jeffrey, good stuff. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. We hitting the year-to-date anchored VWAP. Let's go, Darren. Anchored VWAP machine. Much love. We got 122 people in here. If we could get those likes up to the viewers, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Al Jr. says, shout out to the baby. Yeah, Baby Otter, holding it down all the time. Please smash those likes. It helps the channel. We're a small little channel trying to help a lot of people. So hopefully we can have some growth because we want to be growers, not showers, okay? Even though we got a show and we're trying to grow. I don't know where I was going with that. But thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Looks like we got a little bit of a rejection coming in. We'll see if we can hold this little momentum line. If not, this would be probably a little retrace here. Let's go from high to low. Yep, golden pocket rejection here. So we'll see golden pocket. VWAP within this area is possible, possible to take this thing all the way down to that key level down below us here. So we're really stuck in the middle. We're in that like hot dog zone. We want to trade the buns, right? So if this is the hot dog, we want to trade the buns, right? We're not in the buns just yet. We can come a little higher, in my opinion. We'll see if we get there. But we know the sentiment right now is a little bit bearish since rolling over this weekend. That's nothing that we're going to take lightly. We're aware of that. So people are getting short here. So naturally, to have balance in the force, right? The market maker or whatever is trying to grab these guys before possibly heading down. So the long might be an option right now. We just want to wait for confirmation of a reversal in trend, which is going to give us more of a better probable trade to the upside. Okay. It literally looks like it's just sitting still right now. Okay. It hasn't really moved. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how it reacts. Thank you guys for smashing those likes. Much appreciated. Nice shiny hair. Do I got the sunshine on me again? Do I got the sunshine? Oh, I tell you, it's raining in Canada. It's overcast. How's the weather down there in Canada? I feel like the holy trader. Hallelujah. Oh, man. That's how quickly you go gray when you have a newborn. I should shut my blinds. I'm a bit blind right now. I could shut it. I could just lean. I'll lean over here. Okay? That works. I literally can't see my screen properly now. I think I looked into the light, guys and gals. Oh, man. This is called being a parent right here. It's apparent that I'm a parent. I'm actually really gray, like salt and pepper, Italian. Like I'm 34 and I'm pretty gray. And that's right here. This is carpentry. Okay. Then I'm gonna have one for day trading, and this is gonna be kept nice for retirement. Okay. Okay. We're gonna day trade for another 4 or 5 years. Stack those millies, and then sayonara. Why is your head on fire? Leave it. It looks angelic there. People are going to come in and be like, who is this guy? He's glowing. Look, Monday glow. I got like a little bit of a cowlick this morning. That's pretty good. Are you bullish on the cowlick? Look at that. What is that? That is definitely... That's bullish right there. That I'm bullish on the cowlick. What do you guys say? I could like there. No, that doesn't fix shit. Bullish on cowlick? No. Look at this price action. What dog shit? This is dog shit right here. Anytime now you want to move Bitcoin. When are you getting an otter tattoo? I don't know. I guess I should get an otter tattoo. I should really, like Ben coin the otter gang. What do you guys think? Otter tattoo? Put a 1 in the chat if you think I should get an otter tattoo. Put a 2 in the chat if I should get a tattoo of my son's name on my body. That's also on my mind. Should I get a tattoo of my son's name on my body? Should I be that guy? Or should I not be that guy? I don't know. Maybe you guys... Bum fluff, yes. Jeez, come on, Bitcoin. Do something, baby. Do something, baby. A little bit overextended here. Red dot looking to come down. Okay. I think we get we don't get the sun tattoo. I think we get the otter tattoo. I'm bullish on the otter tattoo. You guys have convinced me. I take your financial advice. I even drink my coffee black sometimes. Oh, that's potent. See, my second coffee. See, my first coffee here. See, I'm prepared today. Very prepared today. My second coffee is black. My first coffee has creamer in it, okay? Forgive me. I'm trying to be better. This looks like continuation to me. Let's see if it can push up. Woohoo. And continue. Continue. Come on, Mr. Bitcoin. Push, baby. No, man. Otter and son. A baby, just get a baby otter and put his name in the stomach or something. 2-for-1 deal, right? I'm bullish on tinfoil and coffee. Let's go. I am trapped, over leveraged position in Shiba. I got out of my plan. Okay. Well, it's good you got out of your plan. It's good. It's good. You guys are hilarious. We're just waiting here. They're making us wait this morning, so we might as well have a chat, right? We might as well have a chat because you guys are amazing. So that's very good that you got out of your position. Maybe do some reflection. Reflection's going to help you a lot in trading where you're trapped. I'm a tattoo artist in Toronto. I can hook you up with your tattoo, bro. Let's do it. NW, I'm coming to your studio, bro. You're going to hook it up for Toronto mans like that? Oh, man. Are we allowed to talk like Toronto mans now? Oh, man. You guys wouldn't believe the slang that comes out of some people in Toronto. It's absolutely atrocious. I grew up downtown. Like, I grew up Queen and Broadview. And there's some people who talk like absolute invalids, to put it nicely. But, you know, to each his own. Do you guys have like a weird gangster slang in your city? Toronto does. Toronto is just like, yo, what's good, fam? You seen, bro? It's almost embarrassing. It's almost embarrassing. But that would be cool, man. I mean, I only have one tattoo. And there's a good story behind it. I mean, my generation, I don't know, maybe early 90s, like I'm born in 90. So, I mean, I was made in the 80s, if you know what I mean. I'm born in 1990, but I was made in the 80s. I'm cusping, baby. You grody scene, fam? Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Yeah, I know what you mean, bro. That's crazy. Toronto things be really taken. Them things, man. It's some debauchery, man. Some boss things. You seen, bro? They're too. I know. Sometimes I drop the Toronto slang on my wife, and she's British, so she doesn't understand it. Oh man, it's gonna be otter with the maple leaf. Yeah, okay. I think that's a little bit weird. You guys can't handle my beautiful glow up today. People are probably coming in here like, what the fuck's this guy's head doing, man? If I go like this, I can make it like Magneto. Look, like Magneto, like the triangle. Look, there we go, right there. Screenshot that Magnetoing. Oh man. Crypto Josh, yeah. Oh man, what have we done to the English language up here in Toronto, man? Oh man. Bro, I live in Memphis, Tennessee. We have the most hood slang in the world. Yeah, I bet. I bet. And you guys got that barbecue, right? So, I mean, you can't. We have a place called Memphis at Islington and Highway 7. It's probably the best barbecue in Canada, in my opinion. If you know about Memphis barbecue up at Highway 7 in Islington, it's next level. And the tattoo idea credit goes to the Otter Gang. So yeah, of course, the Otter Gang. We would have to get the tattoo. So NW is gonna tattoo my son's name like an otter on my ass. Or no, I wouldn't do that to you, bro. I mean, I wouldn't. No, that's not nice. Maybe on my forehead. We'll do the Mike Tyson, a little otter tear, an otter, an otter tear. That would be ideal, right? My God. My God. Any of you guys short? Let me know. Let me know if you're short. I'm 5'4", so I'm pretty short. Do they barbecue moose? Not necessarily. I mean, moose is kind of gammy. Number 1 crime rate in the country. Yeah. Put it on the nipple. I want to see what is the consensus. Where is the otter going on the body? We got a break. We're coming down, retesting in here. 9:08, guys. We got 20 minutes till market opens. The S&P, depending on how it opens, to me looks like it needs to come back and retest. If we're zooming out a little bit here on the S&P, what I'm looking for is a bounce, right? Macro, right? So retesting highs is something I preach a lot of the time. I'm not a preacher, but this is what I look for, right? And continuation up into that 6,000 target. Okay, 6,000 target's just a Fibonacci extension level that I am looking for the S&P to get to in 2025. This will be topping, in my opinion, to kind of give me a heads up on the Bitcoin price. Okay. Right now we're rolling over. I got to get rid of this. I got to close the blinds. How? I closed the blinds and I'm still getting blinded. Now it's worse. What is going on here? I'm about to get a piece of cardboard. Do it like hood style. Like what they used to do, they used to put tinfoil over the windows. Keep it nice and there we go. Oh. I got to stay over here. I moved my desk. Now I'm just getting hit by sunbeams. Man, this thing gonna rip or what? Otter on your trotter. Uh-oh. On your foot. Oh, I thought that was something else. I'm still short from the Crypto Faces stream. You're brave. You brave. Hopefully on your trotter. Otter trotter. G Corp, Surrey, BC has the highest crime rate in Canada, I'm pretty sure. Oh, great. I mean, for the density of Toronto, it's pretty bad. Working on that Otter 10 scalp long trade on SEI. Let's go. Let's go. ETH is going to 2,800. Yeah, I do believe that. I do believe that. I am bullish on ETH. Sweet King Martin. Sweet baby Jesus. Looks like we're getting a little bounce in here. We got VWAP resistance. We got Fibonacci golden pocket resistance. Might be looking for a potential short here coming into this area. We'll have to wait and find out. 64, 300-ish area. Okay. 390, 390. Oof, we'll see. A little bit overextended here for a move up into this morning. It's quarter after. We got about 15 minutes till market opens. Dixie looking like it wants to roll over. However, this is definitely a sign of bullish divergence. Whenever you see price chopping down like this, you can typically expect that last swing fail and then a bounce. So that's something to be aware of. And any bounce on this beautiful dollar index should be bearish. Okay, bearish. We're looking for a pushback on the NASDAQ, the S&P. We're looking for a retrace back down. So couple of mixed ideas here on the charts. We'll have to wait and find out. We're looking for expansion on that Russell to continue to push up. Don't want to see it lose these lows. However, a little bit overextended here. So we'll see how that works out. Stock market, we'll see how it opens up today. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pushback to those people going late short right now. So we'll see if they get wrecked. And hopefully we can find a trade this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. It means the world to me. God bless you guys. Hopefully you guys all had an amazing weekend. I know I did. Thank you for being here, smashing that like, supporting the channel. Pay attention to the 1 minute divs. Yes and no. I've seen it work out. I've seen it fail. So it's hard to take 1 minute divs seriously. I mean, yeah, this is flagging in my opinion, right? Not even getting up to VWAP yet. I'm looking higher. Would like to see it come back down into here, retest, and then bounce. Okay, we'll see if we get that, but this looks like it wants to continue to push. Okay, this got good momentum to the upside. What are you guys saying? You guys trade weekends? Yes? No? 24/7, 365. Let's go. That's why we in crypto. That's why we in crypto. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Wow, we got 160 people in here. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. It means the world to me. Man, it's come so far. So I have one tattoo. I got it when I was 15. Okay. I got it when I was 15. It's an Asian symbol. Typical, eh? Typical. What is this Asian symbol? I don't know if I can draw it. I don't know if this is right. Where do you think it is? I think it's something like this. I've had it on my body for over 15 years. And it's the only tattoo I got. I got one tattoo. Is that lame? It's pi. It's the pi signal. Oh man. You got any courage? No. I got it over my heart, and it means it's mom, and I got it over my heart. I got it when I was 15. I came single mom. I came home at 15, and I was like, I got a tattoo. She wasn't impressed. Italian mothers, you know. And that's okay. I was like, and she was going to beat my ass. I'm telling you, she was going to beat my ass. And then I said, it's mom over my heart. And then she started crying. I was like, yeah, I gotcha. It's Chinese for moose knuckle. So I got my mama over my heart when I was 15, you know. Thank you to all the mamas out there. My mom, you know, superstar. So spoiled. And, you know, she did her best. I try to do my best for her now. But that was pretty cool. Single moms, man. Shout out to the single mamas out there. Baby mamas. Mamas. Most foreign language tattoos I've done that people found in Google don't mean what people think. Yeah, I did some extensive research on that one, my friend. I scoured the earth. And I went to school like in small Chinatown in Toronto, so lived near Broadview and Dundas, right? So I went to school with a lot of the Asian community. Okay? So I had real references, okay? I had real references. This is the one. Okay, I had real references. It looks like this now. It looks like a really bad JPEG now because it's old. Maybe you could touch up this one too while you're at it. It's hideous now. It's almost turning green. It's one of those ones. My average entry in Shiba is 0.18685. Do you think that the price can recover? I'm not sure, my friend. Let me check Shiba quickly for you, my friend. Shiba Inu. 18,685. Bro, you're barely down. 18,685. You're fine. Damn fine. Boom shaka to me one more time. Get low. Bro, Chinatown and surrounding area is mad sketchy these days, especially Spadina. Yeah, Spadina is pretty bad. I used to party down there at the Brunswick House, man. Brunswick House or the Madison. Oh, yeah, good times, man. Lei Ho Ma, you speak Mandarin? Lei Ho Ma. Ho ho, so jo ma yeah. Yeah, you some say, look, chop by guts up. What? This guy, man. This guy. Who's this guy, man? Who's this guy? How did I do? Did I do okay? You let me know. I think that's Cantonese. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's something knees. Lei Ho Ma. Ho ho. I know the Madison. Yeah, of course you do, Josh. He's at the Madhouse, man. The Maddie, man. Ni hao. We can go. You want to go to the swear words now? Poke guy. Dirty knees. Look at these. Let's go. Dule lomo. I could get canceled for this shit. I shouldn't say that. Oh man, everybody be leaving. I'd be swearing in. Alex said, please watch your language. Jeez, this is painful. I'm so sorry for the price action today, guys. I can't tell Jerome Powell to not talk later on. Okay, it's not my fault. I don't control the Powell. Okay, what I do control is the stream power. This is new. This guy is making everybody puckered. The Federal Reserve cut the target rate for the funds rate by a jumbo. Look at the words they use. A jumbo 50 basis points. The first reduction in borrowing costs since March 2020. While the decision to cut rates was anticipated, there was speculation about whether the central bank would choose a more conservative 25 basis points reduction instead. The central bank also released new economic forecasts. Policymakers are penciling in 100 basis points of easing by year's ends. Okay, suggesting two more 25 basis point cuts for this year. For 2025, an additional percentage points of cuts are expected, followed by a final 50 basis points reduction in 2026. Also, PCE inflation was revised. Okay, I'll stop boring you guys. They're just trying to make us less puckered and not worried about the economy. The economy is shite right now, in my opinion. They're trying to calm everybody down, even though China is doing stimulus. The yields are inverted. I don't care. Turn your money printers on, baby. Let's go. Print it. Print it to the moon. Just make sure you guys are holding assets, okay? Bonk is flying. Okay. Bonk is on one. Here it goes. Bonk. So look, your Shiba trade might work out. I'm not a meme coin trader. Everything else looks like dog shit right now this morning. We'll see if it does continue to push up. Things are looking to recover. Injective back up. Ooh, look at that injective trade. Ooh-wee. Arbitrum. Yeah, everything's in this like downwards flag, which is fine. I think SEI had a push. Yeah, SEI. Sui still ripping. Dasmi. Flag. Beam. Beam took off. Okay, Beam's continuing to push. Proppy. Pendle. We gave a beautiful Pendle trade. Look at this beautiful Pendle trade. This is why you need to be part of our Discord. I mean, sheesh. We also gave, what else did we give? We gave Injective. We gave IMX. IMX on the weekend. Look at that. That banged up to here. That was given back here, just so you know. Okay. IMX, BNB. What else did we do? Super. We gave a super trade. That was nice. The nice breakout trade. So this was given from here. Like that. That was given to here. That was given over the weekend as well. That was a nice little trade. My God. Just winning. We like winning here. Winning is good. Tia, we're still looking for Tia to break out, man. Tia's due for a breakout, in my opinion. We'll see if we do get it this week. Maybe. We'll see. Bitcoin stalling out. Doesn't want to move right now. Waiting for the trade. Just waiting. Caught in the middle. No trade zone. Okay. Mark Douglas trading in the zone. Okay. Got to be patient here. We got 4 minutes till market opens. 140 people in here. 80 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. You are new here. Come over and hang out. Discord. Free and paid versions. Okay. Very active Discord. Very, very helpful. And hopefully we can help everybody on their trading journeys. That's what it's about. Anybody filling up on XRP? It's going to $40 in a week. That would be funny, wouldn't it? I mean, I don't hold any XRP, so I would be happy for XRP holders if it went to whatever, $40, okay? That would be great. I'd be very happy for all you XRP army men. Oh, this says, oh, okay? Here's the rollover that we've been waiting for. Push down. Okay, mitigate this low. Come into here. No trade as of yet. The stream seems to be running quite decently. Put a 1 in the chat if you've seen any lag or any kind of, I don't know, blips in the stream. I think it's done pretty good, even though we had beautiful highlights. I converted some ICP to Jasmine. I don't know if I made a bad decision. I think both can do well. I mean, Jasmine has that Apple deal. ICP has the best technology in the world. Oh, shit. Everything has the best technology in the world. Okay? Just a blaring great. Yeah, it's that glow up, Matt. It's that glow up. Yamaha makes a good bike, doesn't it? Yamaha's a pretty good bike. Anybody ride motorcycles here? Yo, what's going on, Matt Eagle? I had a Honda Shadow back in the day. A Honda Shadow. I always wanted to get like an R6 or a Gixxer. I mean, everybody wants a Gixxer, don't they? Every boy wants to have a Gixxer. Okay, little rollover here. Failure to get near VWAP, eh? Whew. You might see a little sweep. You might see something like this push up, bang down. Okay. Market opens in 40 seconds, okay? Need a pop so I can sell and go to work. What's up, brother? How's it going? My northern neighbor. It's going well. It's going well. It's another day in paradise hanging out with you guys. Trying to read the markets as usual, and it's never easy, but it's always a good challenge. It's always a puzzle that I enjoy solving with you guys. And hopefully we can extract some profits from this biatch. Okay. I had a Cowie KDX. Nice. When I was 12. Wow, this guy's doing wheelies around corners. Okay, little rollover coming back down. Market open. Okay, so we look over here, the S&P gapping down. Okay, gapping down is good. Looking to fill up. Okay, we'll see if it pushes up here on the S&P. NASDAQ is trying to break out of this downtrend. Okay, we'll see if it does want to do so. We can draw a little line here. Just look for that to be broken. Continuation upwards, retesting previous highs. Okay, we love a retest of previous highs. We'll see if that can pop off. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit aggressively right now. Okay, so that's why no trade this morning as of yet. Let's see if Bitcoin can push down, 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 down. Okay, looking for potential continuation up into VWAP. I mean, right now, no man's land. Okay, we could look for a potential bounce here. I don't know if I want to go long. However, the long-term time frames are pointing as if we want to bounce a little bit from here. So we'll see how that works out. Right, we have a 2-hour VWAP crossover. We have an hourly green dot that has confirmed. Okay. We have a 3-hour rolling up, coming up to the VWAP crossover. Okay, so looking strong throughout the 1, 2, and 3 in the place to be. What's up, everybody? My name is Ty My Shoe. I will be rapping for you today, just a little freestyle. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Alexandra G. I was cruising down the street to my Impala. You guys remember Tie My Shoe? Put a 1 in the chat if you know who Tie My Shoe is. Okay? I'm trying to date you guys. Tie My Shoe. Oh, man. Oh, man. What a childhood. What a childhood. Oh, a little rejection here. Let's see if we can bounce, baby. Bounce, baby, bounce. I'll be right back. I know, market open. Where you going?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
And the price hasn't gone anywhere. Is that a retest that we were looking for? Yeah.
Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party.
I think because Powell's speaking later, it's going to be a little bit of chop right now. S&P pushing back in. NASDAQ. Curtis Neal's in the chair getting his tooth pulled. They're going to put him under, and they're going to pull on something other than his tooth. What's going on, Curtis Neal? Good morning to you, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Oh, the dentist. Not a place where we want to be. Bro, what's your favorite 90s music? I really like the Backstreet Boys. Britney Spears back in the day. And Tool. Now I grew up on 90s rap mostly, so Biggie, Pun, Pac, Nas, Big L, Wu-Tang, kind of what I grew up on. And then it became like Eminem, 50 Cent. I've been patiently waiting for a track to explode on. So, and then, I started listening to a lot of metal and stuff like that in high school. So I've been a mixed bag of music, but nonetheless, I like everything that isn't like. I mean, I used to like that stuff too back in the day, but 90s rap, and then any rap now is crap. It's horrible nowadays, except for some M, but. It's like it's like fuck, you're shit, man. It's shit. Like go listen to some Illmatic, Nas, or and then Tool. I love Tool. Support Canadian groups. Yeah, I love me some. I mean, the Tragically Hip. I mean, I almost cried when our lead singer passed away. I like Blue Rodeo. Oh, man. You gotta love Bieber, too. Baby, baby, baby oil. Baby, baby, baby oil. You know, that new... Didn't he just do that track with Diddy? Baby oil? Too far? Did I go too far there? Man, the world's messed up. 98 degrees. Yeah, let's go. I love the oldies though. I love the oldies. I like Chuck Berry. I like Elvis. Elvis is Chuck Berry. Amazing. We got Nina Simone. Oh Canada. Oh Canada. Baby oil. Thought you'd always be the one. Crazy. A lot of chop this morning, my friends. A lot of chop. No real decision. I think it's in anticipation for Powell to speak. We know that Chair Pear is going to speak this afternoon, my friends. This afternoon at 1:55, giving you a really weird time frame. He's going to speak at 1:55 for the market to be open for a couple of hours so he can absolutely demolish it. That's what he's trying to do. Oh, are we rolling over finally? Roll over. Thank you. Thank you, Bitcoin. Thank you. Come back. Come back in here. Come and roll over. I didn't say come and all over. Come and roll over. Get your mind out of the gutter, please. Now, that would be more of a retest. That would be a possible retest. Can we come lower? Absolutely. Let's just go from swing low to swing high now that we have a little bit of a move coming. Oh, yeah, that's matching up quite nicely. We'll see how it tends to move here. We're going to lose the lows. Are we going to lose the lows? Or are we going to bounce? Your sound is very quiet. My sound is quiet. Did I hit my mic or something like that? Let me check. Let me check. Checking. It says I'm clipping. I'm almost clipping, so it can't be on here. Do. Check. Am I yelling? I'm not yelling. Is that everybody says it's fine? Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna take the "it's fine" comment for seriousness. Push, baby. Sound is good. Sound is fine. Turn your volume up. Boom, boom. You need cool air. Boom. Boom. Little bounce off the trend line. Possible cheat sheet entry on the 15 minutes. Is that the thicker the money flow, the geo trade setup. The cheat sheet entry, green money flow, little trigger wave down below. Cheat sheet entry on the 15 for a short. VWAP crossover to the downside. I'm not sure how Geo does his cheat sheet entry. Maybe you can elaborate. I know it's a common thought. However, I'm not a cheat sheet entry kind of guy. Frederick Herlin, thank you for being here, man. Good to see you. Good morning. The sound of music. Yeah, we could do that. Sound is good. I mean, we've been crushing it. The actual stream is holding up. It says stream is healthy. Isn't that amazing? I think that's amazeballs. S&P, okay, getting a little bit of a rejection here after filling the gap. It came up, filled the gap. Now it is rejecting down. Okay. Al Jr. spit all over his keyboard. Clean up on Al Jr.'s keyboard. Let's go. How's the monthly bear div going? That's way too high time frames for me, man. That monthly bear div. I need to go on a different chart for that. However, September looking beautiful. Let's all agree on that. September be looking beautiful for a rectember, right? Rectember. Fooled you there, right? Oh, beatboxing got my nose running. Okay, we're bouncing off the trend line. Can we push up? Could have taken this. Could have been cheap, really cheap. Not paying attention properly, man. SFP VWAP for a short. That would be better in my opinion. SFP VWAP 64,390. 64,300 ish, yeah. Possible SFP up in here, up in this ish. Yeah, I'm waiting on the long right now. Give me something like this. Little push, bearish divergence, come back down. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. Perfect 382 bounce. We were talking about that yesterday, weren't we? We were talking about that. We keep rejecting from the 618. That's it. Right in here. This is your 618 area. Very good. I like to see you guys noticing things like this. We can see that. Okay. Now, price action. We want to see a sweep of the highs. Sweep of the highs up into VWAP. Into a resistance level here. Very cheap. You can protect yourself right there. Little order block here as well. So we would like to see this thing mitigated. Okay. As well. A push into VWAP, sweep the highs, bearish divergence. Okay, so a push, a sweep, a bear div. Okay, you see how we make the plan. Okay, we're looking for that sweep. 140 in the chat, 92 likes. Do it, says Drew. What's going on, Drew? Good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Quarterly close on Tuesday. Whew. My God, you guys are on the macro, eh? You guys are on the macro. I appreciate that. This is why community is so important. That's why it's so important to have people looking everywhere and anywhere, because you can't look at everything all the time, can you? I mean, you can, but you wouldn't have much time to spend it with your significant others or your loved ones, or even going for a damn walk in the park, man. Get out there and touch some grass, baby. No FOMO 3 times fast. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. Mo. Oh yeah. Girl, I want to make you sweat. NASDAQ ripping, okay? Let's be cautious here. If the NASDAQ is ripping, the breakout is occurred. S&P trying to push up here. Okay, Bitcoin trying to push up here. Maybe this short is not a great idea. Okay, Confluence. We do not want to be shorting into a push. Okay, we got to retest. I'm going to wait for confirmation on this trade now. I'm not going to look for the SFP up high. We are still making higher lows on the way up here. Okay. SFP lower low, then we'll see if we can cook a short. Okay, retail is shorting still. Remember, retail shorted all the way down in here. Wouldn't be surprised if they came up and got them. Stop whining, do it. Just do it. Just smash the like button. Stop whining. 150 people. Nothing as of yet. The grass is wet. Oh, man. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that wet grass. NASDAQ pushing. Dixie's flat as well. Okay, so not... Dixie pushing up a little bit here on the hourly. I almost feel like I have to shrink this big ass green box. It's kind of annoying me. We want to see it lose the lows here. We want to see it lose the lows here on Dixie. Rolling over. The meter giveaway for the paid membership in the Discord. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. You got amazing group of people here in the Discord. I mean, absolutely crushing it. Bitcoin looking to push a little bit here. We're doing a $200 giveaway, man, to the members. We got Kyle doing trade setups. We got the alt TA. Look, you would have had render trade setup. You would have had a super trade setup. Remember I said You had the super trade set up this morning. Look at that. I even drew it, etch a sketch for you guys. Look at this. Up into that high there. We can go and look at the chart. Bitcoin looking to break out right now. Bitcoin looking to break out. And look at super. Look what it did. Oh my God. It's like free money. Look at this. This should have paid for your whole $20. You can't make $20 off of a 10% move. Come on, guys. Look at the value. Easy money. I even drew the squiggly line for you. Okay? Easy money. Okay? Targets and everything. Anyways, if you want to come over and hang out with us, there's a free section as well where a whole bunch of people talking shit. We got tattoo of his son's name here. That's awesome. That's amazing, Luke. See? I don't know if I'm going to do it. That's fire. We have people saying good morning. But come over and hang out. We would love to have you. Free section as well. Hopefully helping you guys become profitable traders. Getting a little bit of a rejection here. Very much indecision this morning. No kind of real direction besides a little bit of a pushback. I would expect either a swing down within this area here for a bounce, bullish divergence, continuation rejection, okay, and a little bit of sideways action in anticipation for Jerome Powell speaking this morning. So far, no trade. However, we do have a Discord live stream this afternoon that we plan on recording now as well. So all you paid members get the exclusive unlisted YouTube content for all the premium mofos. Okay, so mad love to you guys. We'll see if we can keep pushing here. I mean, yeah. On a day such as today, when you get an emergency meeting, they really tend to not FUD it, but it's like pretty annoying because it just makes the market kind of stall and no real decision. Let's take a look at total 3. What's total? So total 3, we are looking for a retracement, right? We have the breakout. Here's on the daily here. So we do have, the series of higher lows and higher highs, right? So we're looking for this for altcoins. This is where it's going to be the plethora of buying, okay? For me, it's this low here. That's going to be the where we want to execute the buying for our altcoins if we are looking for this to break out. Okay, as we can see, downtrend, breaking of structure, higher high, higher low. Okay, looking for another higher low. Bring me a higher low. Okay, and then we're looking for this thing to ramp up to the moon. Okay, we'll see if we get that ramping, but that's what we're looking for on total 3. USDT dominance coming down, baby. Breaking down, holding the last kind of trend line. This is a regression trend line, so you can see it's just holding on. If you are going to lose this rising channel here, I mean, that's a nice breakdown for some USDT dominance, holding more crypto than USDT. We want to see that happen, baby. But for now, we wait in anticipation for a chirper. Delta Chai, welcome to the Otter Gang, man. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Dixie's pushing up. Okay. We want to watch all things around kind of helping us make better decisions. Dixie's pushing up, making some higher highs. Yeah. So trying to reclaim, like we said at the beginning of the stream, it would be ideal for the Dixie to kind of, have its pushback and then get rocked. Okay. It's going to hold on here for quite some while. Like if we zoom out on our Dixie, okay, we can see we've this area that we're currently trading at has been massive resistance. Then we had the big push up the top, right? Now we are trying to break down into this area. Will we get it? It's going to take a little bit of trial and error. We'll see if we get through it. But we're right on the brink of hopefully rolling over here. Now this could stay kind of indifferent longer than we think. So let's be patient as well. Okay. Bitcoin coming back down for another test of the lows. Not a big movement today, guys. Just a 0.5%. Like, this is nothing I'm looking to trade right now. I'm thinking we're going to turn it off because it's really just it's chopping around in anticipation for that meeting at 1:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Jerome Powell. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 150 people in here, 99 likes. If you want more, like would be muchly appreciated. Good morning to you, Sniper's Nightmare. I'm getting out of here. I will be live with the Discord members around noon, so I'll see you guys there, hopefully recording that and getting you guys the goods. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless you. Happy Monday. Let's make this a good week. We got a lot to look forward to. Thank you, everybody, for supporting me and helping me support you. No trades this morning, pretty choppy, but it's always better to stay patient and stay out of the trade rather than force yourself to trade, okay? Much love. I will see you guys tomorrow morning for some more trading. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.